Good morning, student. Today again we are going to start with the chapter 2, Is Matter Round Us Pure? Now, last time we continued with the topic calculating the percentage by mass percentage. So, that is solid and liquid solutions. So, if we want to calculate mass by mass percentage or simply mass percentage, that is the mass of solute in gram dissolved in 100 gram of solution. So that is mass by mass percentage or mass percentage of the solution, that is equal to mass of the solute divided by mass of the solution, and mass of the solution is mass of the solute plus mass of the solvent multiply by 100. For percentage we will multiply by 100, right? And for mass by volume percentage, that is defined as follows, that is equal to the mass of the solute in gram dissolved in 100 milliliters or 100 ml of the solution, right? So mass of the volume percentage, mass by volume percentage of the solution, that is equal to mass of the solute divided by volume of the solution into 100. So I have explained it again. Last time it was not so clear, so I have taken it from book and I have explained it again. That it must be clear now. Now few numericals I have taken for you. So first numerical is a solution contain 40 gram of common salt in 320 gram of water. Calculate the concentration in terms of mass by mass percentage of the solution. For this, we will apply the formula mass by mass percentage as solution contain 40 gram, that is mass of the solute, right? And 320 gram of water. Mass of the solution we will calculate, that is by adding mass of the solute and mass of the solvent, right? So solution here will be mass of the common salt, that is solute, that is 40 gram, mass of the water, that is solvent, that is 320 gram, and mass of the solution, that is solute plus solvent, so that is 40 plus 320, that is equal to 360 gram. So thus the mass percentage of the solution, that is equal to mass of the solute upon mass of the solution into 100. So that is 40 upon 360 into 100, that is equal to 11.1 percentage, right? Now similarly there is one more numerical. Calculate the mass of glucose and mass of water required to make 250 gram of 25% solution of glucose. Now in this numerical, again we will use mass by mass percentage of the solution, that is mass of the solute upon mass of the solution into 100. Now putting the value of the term in above equation, so we will write 25 percentage is given. Now in this question percentage is given, that is 25%, and we have to calculate the mass of glucose. Glucose here is solute, so solute we will put above, and 250 gram of glucose, solution of glucose. Solution means it is solution we will put below, that is 250 gram multiply by 100. So mass of glucose we will calculate, that is 62.5 grams. So now how much water is required? Water is being asked. So we know mass of water will be equal to solution